Ikaw na mag-live ping?
Yeah, we're live. Okay,
Okay, sige, exit muna ako sa Discord.
share na lang yung link sa iba. Milski,
Okay.
Favor, and Patik. Okay, good afternoon everyone. Napaaga lang yung tournament. Supposedly 2 o'clock, pero yeah, we're now streaming this event right now because may mga schedule na kailangan ma-meet. So, nakiusap yung player kung pwede earlier and we're doing it now. Anyway, so like to welcome everyone watching. And finally, no, after a long time na naging drawing ang tournament, finally we're having this Tito Gaming tournament, the first ever Pinoy StarCraft tournament para sa mga casual Pinoy players this 2026. So, join with me right now is one of the co-casters na si Hexa, pero nawala siya. Nawala si Hexa sa Discord. But anyway, yeah, pakilala ko lang yung players for a while. Spotting here on the upper left side of the map, we have Cruz, our purple Protoss player, and on the lower left side of the map, we have Art and Music. So I think nandito tayo sa Polestar na map. Yeah, tama. Okay, Polestar na map. So, konting background lang sa two players. Si Cruz, Protoss main, currently nasa UAE. So, ayun, nagustuhan niya yung Protoss dahil daw for him, it's easier to use. Sinasabi niya. Actually, karamihan ng in-interview ko, puro ganun ang sinasabi. Protoss because mas madali raw, mga pang Tito Gaming. And sa side naman ni Heart, actually si Heart, off-race siya ngayon. Zerg yung main race niya, pero he chose to go Protoss dito for some reason. And yeah, let's see, no? Ang maganda dito kay Heart, no? One thing to note about Heart is that yung micro niya sa pagpo-Protoss is really good. So, marunong siya mag-engage lalo na kung Terran yung kalaban. And let's see, no, these two players, no, have been practicing a lot recently, yung mga one-on-one, and sila yung tipong team games talaga yung gusto nila, pero talagang parang suddenly nahiligan nila yung one-on-one, and I could really see kanilang sa kanilang practice sessions, yung dedication nila na gusto nila mag-improve the StarCraft, even though they're doing this for fun. And yeah, so Cruz opening up with Zealot, two gate opener. Si Cruz, while si Heart nag-open up with gate into 4 into gate. So standard opener versus cheese. Kay Cruz kasi counted as cheese, kaso lang gumawa siya ng Zealot, but he did not send the Zealot right away. Normally, yung build na to, when you start with Zealot, you send it right away dun sa side ng opponent to do damage, to intercept, and have early advantage because nag-faster tech yung opponent. So, for a while guys, habang wala pa namang action, I'll be sharing the link of the stream.
Bilis ng range ni... Bilis ng range ni... Bilis ng range ni... Bilis... Oh no.
Ano nangyari?
Nakabalik.
Yan. Dinig mo ako, Ping? Dinig mo na ako?
Yes.
Sorry, nag-start na ba?
Yes.
Yes, start na.
Wait lang, I need to post dito sa page. Mag-switch na page. Sige. Anyway. May action na ba? Okay. So now, Dragoon from the side of Heart and Music. Yan na, may bakbakan na pala dito. Okay. So, kanino probe yung namatay? Yung kay Heart, no? So, 3 Zealots. And of course, nakita ni Heart na hinarangan to. Hinarangan ng mga Zealots. And let's see kung ano gagawin ni Heart. Maggagawa siya ng Tripwire Dragoon dito sa natural ni Cruz. Okay, so no expansion yet, no? Kasi dangerous to expand. Especially in PvP, lalo na kung makita ng kalaban. They can just capitalize. Oh, sneaky probe! Sneaky probe from Cruz entering into the base of Heart and Music. Heart and Music now going for the 3rd gateway while upgrading the range. Yeah, so ngayon, currently, 4 Dragoons. 4 Dragoons ngayon si Heart versus Zealot Army ni Cruz. Okay, let's see. So, 5 Zealots going in. Trying to kill Dragoon, kaso mukhang ina-click lang ni Cruz yung army. and they're not really surrounding the Dragoons. Ngayon, the Dragoons are being pushed back simply because Dragoons have less damage to small units, pero Heart can kite this though. It's proper micro, kaya naman tong patayin ni Heart. No, lalo wala pa naman Zealot legs to. But yeah, he will be pushed back kasi nga, there are just too many Zealots. And, uy! Ooh! Cruz doing something easy. Tingnan natin kung may vision. Wala! Hindi kita, oh, galing oh! Exact blind
Picture
spot. See that? Blind
Picture
spot.
na lang. Pero pag gagawa siya ng canon yan, I think kikita yan, Teng.
Yeah, oo, definitely. Pero walang ano eh. Walang forge. Ba't siya gumawa ng photon cannon dito? He has no forge. Okay, now. Many Dragoons. There are now 6 Dragoons on versus Zealots. Naku, malulugi yung Zealots. No? Kasi madali lang i-kite ni Heart. And yeah, I think Takrus needs to start producing Dragoons na. Kasi look at that. Look. Kina-kite. And with that range, it's easy for Heart and Music na pitas-pitasin. All these Zealots, 2 Zealots have already gone down for free. Almost for free. Takrus walang choice.
Oh, no.
Tumakbo. Naku, puro Zealot lang. Wala siyang
Oh,
Dragoons.
no. Oh, no. Puro Zealot na.
Yari tayo dito.
Puro
Yari.
Kingdom.
Yeah. Oh no, pakit na siya ng ramp. Oy! Okay, Zealot's trying to block the entrance. Ano ko, lumayo. Si Heart naman, natatakot din umakit, no? Kasi baka mahuli siya. Oops. There's a bit of DC. Yeah, ito. Pa rin sneaky. Hindi pa rin, wala pa rin sa vision talaga ni Heart. Ang galing, no? Inaaral yata ni Takrus yung map. Oh, diba? Blind spot na blind spot.
Sa mga late yung forge niya.
Yes, pero yun nga, kung may... Oh, nakikita naman siguro ni Heart yan kasi may vision. Okay. Okay, na-trust ni Heart. I don't know. Kung ako si Heart, iniwan ko lang doon. Pero maybe natakot siya baka may DT kasi nga, wala siyang scouting intel. Oh, nadi-DC? Ako ba yung na-DC? Si Heart.
Hindi na pa yan si ganyan yung net ni Heart.
Okay, just switch. Habang wala pa. Live.
Hindi ko yung DC ping. Si Heart ata. Sa Twitch ako nanonood niyan.
Okay. Nag-post lang sa FB. So, wag niya i-drop. Ako po.
1-0 lang.
Do not drop.
5 minutes na.
Do not drop. Tayo natin.
Wala na yan. I think.
Ako po.
So, nasa rules natin kung sino yung drop, siya yung talo, di ba?
Yeah, unfortunately. So, and
Unfortunately.
PC.
So, unang panalo ni Tax.
Oh no.
Lagpas ng 5 minutes. So, nasa rules. Pag lagpas ng 5 minutes, sino yung na-drop, siya yung talo. So, nakalagay sa screen si Heart.
Yes, di ako sa akin eh. And the drop would be hard. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Drop the okay, losers. But that is hard, so it's a loss.
Yeah. Fortunately, that's a loss talaga. So, losers pick.
Pick map part.
Alam mo, lamang na siya dun. Dami ng dragons. Hintay lang siguro niya yung observer para for sure kapasok.
Pero kung ako, inakit ko pa rin yan eh. Kasi check ko. But, yeah.
O pwede din i-scout kung if may Templar base na.
Okay, 7 viewers currently. So, shout out to those people watching.
Oh, shout out nga pala sa Twitch Billiards. Address, tawiran, extension sa Tulon, Pasig. Epitix, sabi ko na, na-shoutout ko na yung billiard place mo.
Ayun.
Punta ko dyan minsan.
Yeah, and shoutout din sa mga sponsors no, ng tournament.
Yeah.
Additionally, so we have si Teban, si Steve, and we also have si Seniv. Nagdagdag din siya ng pang
Oh,
prize.
salamat sa mga sponsors.
Yeah, so yun, konting background lang no. Okay, so for fun lang to tournament. These are casual players. Mga casual Tito Gaming. No, like sila yung StarCraft players na hindi sila yung kasing hardcore ng mga ladder players dun sa ibang community natin sa Pinas. Pero you know, they love the game, they enjoy the game, they like StarCraft, they love StarCraft, and yeah, so we want to do this para alam mo yun, just for fun. And yung prize money, which is 2,500 pesos based on yung amount collected. Ano lang, for fun lang, para lang may something. No? Yeah, we'll be waiting for Heart and Music dito. Ano nangyari? What happened kay Heart?
Yeah, nasa GC. So, start na lang pili ng map.
Salamat nga pala sa
Medyo,
pag-message.
medyo, medyo laging kanina si Heart eh. Naglaro kami. Or ako ba yun? Or kaming dalawa lang. Nag-try kami.
Yeah. Try ulit. Check muna connection. Check.
Yun ang masaklap nun, ano?
Yan.
Lamang na lamang.
Dito rin pala si Peptix. Nakikrash sa Discord. One of the participants actually. Yeah.
Ay.
Okay, Heart pick map. Map. Yeah, so yun kasi yung rules guys, no? Right, masakit sa loob ko na ma-default. Pero we're doing rules kasi para fair sa lahat. Kasi, you know, ang hirap pag ano eh, pag walang rules. And lalo na may pera on the line. Talagang, ano, medyo... As much as ayokong ma-penalize, gusto ko lahat mag-enjoy, kaya lang, yan. Baka bumalik sa amin. May pera dito eh.
Kahit ano daw, ikaw na lang mag-pick-ping kasi sabi niya kahit ano.
Okay, spin na lang. Okay, I'll be spinning. This won't be caught on stream. So, para lang diretso na. Ano yung mga maps? Teka. Ano yung napili? So, most pa-dictate nga. Drawing current.
Dominator, experience,
Yung pagkasunod fighting spirit. Ano pa?
Pulsar, Polypoid,
Pulsar tapos na. So, Polypoid. Ano pa?
Metropolis, Radion.
Metropolis. Okay na. Okay, spinning the wheel. Let's see kung anong map lalabas. So technically, right now, it's 1-0 in favor of Cruz. Okay, Fighting Spirit ang next map. So we'll be doing Fighting Spirit 1.4, the most recent ladder map. Ladder version ng Fighting Spirit. So sabihin mo sa nila, Hex, sabi, Tito Gaming, yung game name. Password Tito. Ano yung map yan, sabi ko? Fighting Spirit. Okay? Join in. Nag-echo, narinig ko sarili ko. Pa-mute.
Na-mute ko na si Tex.
Dito sa akin na dumodoble yung sound sa stream.
Okay,
Yan, minute.
di kita pili.
Ako na nag-mute. Kasi dodoble to sa stream eh.
Okay.
Yan, nasabi nga na nag-double yung voice. Yan, wala na.
Okay na. Wala na. Okay na. Pasok, pasok, pasok.
Name, login, password. Okay. Yeah, so Hexa, no? So, ano naman, kumusta? Like, how are you finding, this tournament na finally happening?
Excited, pero sa wakas, nag-start na rin. So, meron lang konting technical difficulties kanina, pero at least nandyan ka na, so nalalive na natin yung laro nila. Pero, sayang lang kanina na-DC. Ayos na sana yung laban.
Okay, actually, ahead si, si Heart based na nakita natin. So, yeah, what can we do?
Pero, yeah, ahead si Hart, pero may pylon kasi doon sa loob ng base. Di pa natin alam
Oh, kasi
anong kahit
wala rin namang cheese and like, I think nakikita yan.
yun, nasa baba yung isa. Parang start na.
5G. Ako nga pala yung time to practice ito na nagtatakay. Hindi ko na bago yung name kasi yeah, we're strapped for time. So, yeah, let's go.
Yeah, G, go,
So,
go, go,
I
go.
would like to acknowledge then si Hart for sticking around despite suddenly
Yeah,
kailangan siya sa
yung
work, no? And gusto niya tapusin na lang muna to kaya anyway, second round, no? Okay, so we have here spawning on the lower left side of the map. We have Protoss player in ano ba to? Flesh color. Macruz. Lower right side of the map spawning, no? Si Heart and Music. Kailangan bumawi ni Heart and Music, no? If he wants to win this, kailangan niya manalo this round and manalo ulit sa next round. Macruz, yun, nagka-free win siya doon. Let's say, na-free win siya doon. Pero yun, again, rules are rules.
yeah. Sabi ko nga, sisiyin na lang yung IST pag na-drop.
Yeah. Ako nga sabi ko, wag muna i-drop eh. Sabi ko kanina. Gusto ko lang, actually,
Pero
gusto ko
wala.
yung game. Oo.
Pero wala talaga na yung pag sa SC. Malabo kasi pag may drop na lalabas.
Unlike yung mga modern games, no? Kasi this is an old game. Like,
Mm-mm.
more than 26 years na yata itong game na to. And syempre yung technology and yung coding, whatever, na ginawa sa game, no? Ito, hindi siya
Oo nga,
comparable sa
yeah.
ginawa ngayon.
Alam mo ba yung last patch ata nito, year 2002 pa, if hindi ako nagkakamali. Basta nandyan sa, between dyan sa early 2000s. Yung last patch ng StarCraft, di ba? Amazing. Last patch ng StarCraft sa nalaro, yung remastered.
Gotcha. And I think, ano pa yun eh, like, a year after the release na yata yung, yung StarCraft OG. Anyway, ito na. Nauna si Takus, if you can see, nauna si Takus sa gateway. Just by a little bit. And nakasunod naman si Hart. So let's see if Takus will still go for a double gate, pero hindi. Mukhang mag-standard Dragoon siya. Dragoon opener. This eventually, 13. Is looking like a 13 cybernetic score. While sa side ni Heart and Music, mukhang ganun din. So mukhang they're going for the same build. Fast for to double gate, maybe. Let's see. So Takruz out in the upper left and looking for the opponent's base, the Heart.
Pero alam mo ba, Ping, yung laro ni Hart, I mean Hart, late siya nag-scout.
Hindi siya nag-scout.
Or late.
Hindi
Usually
siya
late.
nag-scout. Okay. Yeah, pwede rin naman yun kasi baka actually si Snow ginagawa niya si Snow pag nagka-core opener siya hindi siya nag-scout agad. Si Snow yung Korean pro. Nung may isang game na napanood ako, Snow versus Bisu. Si Bisu nag-double gate Zelot siya. And yun, cheese yung ginawa ni Bisu actually pero nanalo si Snow doon. Na-hold niya, Dragoon opener. And eto na, the Zelot failed to block that Scully Pro from Takruz. Now Takruz, he's na double gate and Zelot, okay, may gas pero hindi pa nag-core, no? I just realized. Now already 2 Zelot have popped out from the side of Heart and Music. And ito lang, no? Kung ako lang like itong double gate openers to Zelot, kung ako, I would just send the Zealots right away sa side of opponent. Ngayon, Takruz recognizes na double gate ang kalaban niya. Now he added secondary gate, ASAP, no? Kung may pera na siya. Pero si Heart and Music currently ahead in supply.
Kaya kasi nag-bank yan ng army at saka ng pera. Tapos mabibigla ka ng dami niya na yung army, tapos all in na pala yung attack niya.
Right? Yun yung technique ni Heart and Music na kung yung bibiglain ka na uy, ang dami na palang tao nakatago lang. No? Kaya it's important if you're going against Heart and Music and actually any player in general. No? Naku po. Huwag ka madidisi. Okay. Naku po. Yikes.
30 minutes pa naman, pwede pa mag...
Uh,
Ganyan din laro namin kanina.
Ba't kaya ganun? So anyway, ano sabihin ko dapat? Okay, may core na si Heart. Puro Zealots, nagbaliktad sila ng role niya, no? Soft role sila tapos, pero ang difference, may Zealot si, si Akrus.
Nagmamakro na ng army si Heart.
Ahead siya sa army count, sa probe. Yan, lagpas 12 na rin. Ito ng Zealots. So, 10 supply, 12, probably 14, 16, 15 probes. 15 probes. No? We're looking at 15 probes. Okay. Ayan, another scouting probe from Takruz. No? Block. And kung si Takruz, I should be scared. No? Kailangan ko ng baka DT to or Reaver. So I should be backing up. Yeah, both players playing safe. Hindi na nag-scout ulit si Takruz. And finally si Heart decided to go for the scout. Yeah, and tama yung direction ng scout niya. Look, both players really blocking the ramp, no? Kung nag-practice lang, hindi naman sila ganito. Ano? Bigla, hindi sila ganito mag-block, ah. Ano yung Hexa? Parang medyo cut.
Iba na yung sa tournament, di ba? Bilid din yung
Iba talaga
yung
yung
laro
tournament,
nila.
lumalabas, nag-shine yung ano nila eh. Hindi ka nilang, so pati kaso this scouting probe will get taken down and nakita niya may Dragoons definitely kasi Dragoon yung pumatay. So Forge, okay. Heart added Citadel the Forge. Naku po, wag kang madi-disconnect, sir. And DT. Fast DT tech. DT or High Templar, most likely DT ito. Tayo naman ni Takruz. Robotics ito, Observatory, okay? So preparing for DT, nakakaramdam.
parang nakita na, parang may third eye si Takruz.
Yan, may gaming sense. May game sense.
Tamang-tama yung timing ng orbs niya.
Yeah, wala pang action. Let's check. Okay. Si Tae Utot. Shoutout kay Tae Utot. It's a Twitch chat. Yeah, network. Okay. Anyway. Salamat sa'yo. Thanks for tuning in. 3 gates. Okay, 3 gates now for Heart and Music versus... Uy, lamang si Takruz Supply. Antay na sila sa gates. No? Pero lamang ngayon si Takruz Supply. Maybe nag-skip ang production si Heart somewhere and finally 2 DTs are out. 2 DTs are out and same time may observer. Sakto. May observer na rin sa Takruz. No?
Timing lang yung observer niya.
Yeah, and normally, first observer, sinisend mo dapat sa base ng opponent and there should be a follow-up to second observer. Asan ako? Ang problem lang minsan kung ako, sinisend ko yung observer ko, sabi nila, asan obs ko? Wala. Kailangan. Yan. DT. Finally going in. Akit sa Srap. Sorry, kasabay! Observer! Second observer. Ito na sasabi ko. And easily, madi-deny ang Dark Templar attempt ni Heart and Music. Yikes, sayang. So, yeah, wag na lang niya i-suicide yung Dark Templars para mas ulit niya. Now, finally, Takruz is getting intel. Look at that, no? That sweet intel from that observer. Takruz is outplaying. Mamatay sa kanan. Currently, Takruz is outplaying Heart right now. And lamang siya supply ngayon. Tanong na lang dito siguro sino yung unang mag-expand. So if I were Heart, I would stop DT production instead. Iba na lang, siguro expand or maybe Reaver. Yung DT, hindi ko yung force kasi alam mo may obs. Yeah, mamamatay lang to, sayang yung DT, mahal pa naman ang DT. Itong gamitin to deny expansions or check yung other areas ng scout.
I think pwede na mag-forward si Max for Expo.
Yeah, I
Kasi
think
may
so.
observer na siya.
Yeah, actually, and even si Hart kasi may DT siya, and knowing na may DT, hindi basta-basta makakalabas si Tacruz. He has to be careful with the obs. So Tacruz can also actually expand with the money he has, and lamang ngayon sa supply si Tacruz. Wow! Tacruz is actually out macroing Hart right now. And yeah, 3 DTs have been pulled back. Sayang nga naman. And now, second Photon Cannon in a DT ramp. And for some reason, nag-morph ng high Archon si Hart. Favorite na talaga to, no? Favorite na mag-high Archon eh.
Pero rin yun, ito si Hart. One base lang, parang wala lang siyang planong mag-expo ata.
So, dikit lang supply nila. No? Okay, ngayon, Tacruz with the first expansion. Yeah, ngayon lamang na lamang si Tacruz because he has intel. No? I don't know lang how Tacruz would make use of the intel na meron siya kay Art and Music. Pero he should have seen those 3 gates and yung tech. Even the upgrades to, dapat i-check na rin niya.
Yeah. Sa sit-up ni Hart ngayon, di ba, may cannon sa loob ng base. So eventually, all in na talaga on base.
Do not drop. Ako ba?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Opo. That got
2-0 in a row.
Do not drop. Don't drop. Ano naman, hindi disconnect.
Oh. Opportunity talaga. Yung army ni Hart, parang gusto na talaga ito yung may Archon na. Pero unfortunately,
This is saddening. Ang hirap, it breaks my heart. No pun intended. Pero yeah, kasi ang hirap eh. Parang gusto kong i-adjust yung rule para sa kanila, pero diba? Parang kung adjust tayo sa kanila, we have to adjust sa lahat.
Nalagay na rin sa site, so wala.
Yeah,
yun talaga.
Yung mahirap. Hindi ko na-drop. No, I'm not gonna drop this. Gusto ko maka-reconnect sa card. Oh no, nag-GG na si Hart.
Parang malabo na to. Balik. Naglaro din kasi kanina, ganito yung laro namin.
Okay naman, connection.
Hindi. Okay siya, tapos ako yung nag-drop. Pero palaging ganito din, naglalabas, waiting for players.
Ako po. That's sad. Well, di ko pa rin na-drop. No, ano pa eh. Well, mo biglang mag-reconnect.
Excited din yung army ni Hart. Excited na itong umatake.
Oo nga eh. Hindi pa natin alam kasi dito mananalo eh.
Oo.
Nauna si expansion si Tacruz pero
yeah.
Not sure yet.
Pero army composition wise, malakas tong Hart kasi may Archon, may GT.
Sa tech naman
may Zilot. Naman sa tech si
Hart. Si Hart din kaya niyang balik na rin. Magaling siya mag-micro ng unit. And Tacruz is stronger sa macro, I believe. Pero
diba? Lagi ako nababaliktad ni Hart sa laro. Yung naging complacent ka.
Yeah, diba?
Pero siya, all in na pala yung army niya, tapos antay lahat sa'yo. Mabubulaga kapag kalaro mo si Hart. Minsan.
Right. Ganyan yung style niya eh. Talagang he knows to take advantage. Yung surprise attacks. Kasi yung biggest strength niya. Bubulaga eh.
Parang GG na to. Sorry mga viewers, unfortunately mga viewers, yung laro ngayon, hindi nakasama yung internet. ng kaibigan natin si Hart.
Yeah, that sucks. And ako, wala akong magawa. Wala akong magawa. Alright. Oh well, that's 0-2. So, that's a win for Takruz officially. Grabe, first game, no? Yeah, I'm really sorry, no? Ganito yung nangyari. What can I do? Ganun talaga. Okay, chat ko lang si Hart. Yeah, okay. So, for fun lang. No, casual. Not counted. Okay, on stream. Okay, i-unmute ko na si Petix. So, yun. Kasi bitin eh. Wala tayong palabas.
Sige, performance. Recast natin.
Sige.
Sino laro? Si...
Ano to for fun? Unmute ko muna si Petix. Petix, baka gusto mo makisalita dito. For fun na lang to. Actually, next match up. Actually, 5 o'clock pa. Pero, sige, game lang. Kung gusto. For fun. Kaya ko talaga kay... Sorry, kita. Okay. Marami pa naman ibang games. Yeah. Sabi nga ni tayo to. Kailangan bumawi ni Heart. Hindi, yun ang ayoko eh, no? Sa, yung internet, no, natin, dito sa bansa. hindi predictable. 1 point for Tak. So, congratulations? Question mark. I don't even know if it's appropriate to say that. Pero, yeah.
Okay, so sino muna exhibition match? For fun game lang.
Create ka pala ako. Sorry. Oops. Create ko. Let's go polypoid. Para chill lang.
Pinoy Pride.
Pasabi na sa kanila Hexa. Ito gaming.
Okay.
Nakita
So, Takruz versus Fish, right? Okay, timpla muna kapis. Timpla muna ako kapis.
sige, okay. Thank you for joining in Hexa and unfortunately ganun. So anyway guys, no, yung mga nandito right now on stream, yung itong gagawin nating game na to is unofficial na. Para lang may games kayo mapanood. And yung next official match of Tito Gaming is mamayang 5 o'clock between Unswa and I Am Risk Taker, which is yung laro-laro lang right now.
Laro ko yung sticker.
Yeah, si Takruz daw. Takruz.
Si Takruz, okay.
Okay, yeah, so yan, kino-coordinate ko rin, no? Kasi ako yung nagko-coordinate, guys, no? So, session na, chat ko while this stream is ongoing. So, I'm just trying to coordinate with players. And, yun ang isang challenge dito sa making this tournament happen. Kasi nga, these people who are joining are responsible parents, responsible dads, may mga sariling pamilya, may mga business. And talagang, they're just making time. They're just making time for the game kasi nga nag-enjoy sila sa game and they want to make this game alive ulit sa Pilipinas. Kaya I would like to acknowledge everyone who joined and those who are supporting our streams and all the content we're making sa YouTube. May YouTube channel din ako where I also stream and I sometimes post yung mga games ng mga Pinoy players. Okay. Try daw. Sige. So, ito, Heart and Tak, no? For fun na lang. Gusto lang makalaro ni Heart, no, para may palabas, pero unfortunately may score na tayo eh. 2-0, pero this is not counted na. This is just yan for fun. Natali na yung score, unfortunately.
Oh, Simpson.
Siguro lesson learned na rin, no, sa rules kasi nga first time ever natin gagawin. Maybe we could just adjust yung rule regarding that next time sa next tournament kasi ito, meron na tayong written rule. Kaya next time at least alam natin what we can adjust moving forward. So, tali ko lang. Tapos,
Hindi naman kayo ng boses mo. Baka sa audio ni.
what, sorry?
Sabi ni Craig, mahina daw ang boses mo, pero hindi naman mahina sa akin.
Kasi nasa Discord. Check mo.
Mahina daw boses mo, pero hindi naman sa akin, hindi naman mahina.
Sabi ni, no. Really?
Ni Kiki. Okay lang. Okay lang yung voice mo dito.
Weird. No, weird.
Baka sa Discord okay, pero sa stream mo hindi.
Maybe. O nga, no?
Kasi narinig kita ng swabing-swabe.
Pero can you check the stream? Masilip mo. Salita lang.
Okay.
Anyway, ito na.
Definitely.
Oh yeah, shout out to viewers who decided to stick around. Para makanood ng Kill Chill na lang to. This is unofficial na. So anyway, so we have Stock Cruise with the Gateway Opener, Pylon Gateway, and Gateway, of course, no? Wala sigurong susugal na Nexus First. Wala siguro mag-Nexus First dito sa PvP.
Medyo mahina nga, medyo malakas yung sounds ng background ng game.
Funny thing is, mahina na to eh. Actually, pinalakasan nga ni Banga dati. Yung...
Okay lang yun, pero narinig naman.
Bakit kaya? Yun. Okay na. Ikaw raw malakas, ako mahirap lang. Anyway, si Takruz, double gate, wala pang 4, pero nag-gas. Okay. Normally kasi pag kukuha ka ng assimilator, talagang magka-4 ka na. Kasi otherwise, I don't know. Okay, cannon first, si Heart. Interesting. Nag-ibang build, no? Defensive ngayon si Heart. Pinili niya cannon. Cannon pa nga. Is he thinking about going Nexus? Earlier Nexus? Kaya agad yung build niya? Maybe? I think mukhang yun ang gusto niyang gawin. Kasi why did he position yung probe niya dito sa lower left? Yan, Takruz probe. Finally gonna see this in a bit. Pinagkagawa ni Heart in this place. Kita niya may cannon. So let's see kung anong decide na action gawin ni Takruz. Okay, kita niya. There's a Nexus. Nexus nga. Forge, Nexus. Ginawang Zerg, no? Mala Zerg opener.
Kakaiba din siya city ni...
Yeah.
Kakaiba yung city ni Heart.
Yung city ni Heart, no? Talagang sinulit niya yung edge. Ngayon, who's ahead? We could say, no, ahead si Heart. That's because nauna siya sa expansion. And may cannon pa. Yeah. Yeah, ahead si Heart.
Yeah.
Honestly, ahead si Heart. So, Takruz, yeah, decide, dapat mag-expand na rin si Takruz kasi these Zealots, wala yan gagawin.
Hindi yan makakapasok.
Plus, may Zealots rin just gonna block the ramp, no, with some good micro, which is magaling si Heart. Hindi makapasok. Now, okay, Takruz deciding to expand himself, and lamang si Takruz currently sa supply. Okay, 4 Zealots, hindi na block ang probe. The probe gets a C. Takruz, di ba 5? Sorry, mali. I mean, Heart gets to see, siya sabi ko Takruz. Heart gets to see ano yung tech ni Takruz currently. Napagbabaliktad ko yung name nila. So, 4 did not spin. yeah, meanwhile sa side ni Heart, no, while those 4 zeros are chasing, may Nexus na pero, okay, finally, no, side, macro up, okay. If tuloy-tuloy lang yung probe production ni Heart, actually maging ahead siya. Nauna siya ng Nexus timing. Tacruz. Okay, Zealots was able to take down, those Zealots were able to take down that scouting probe from Heart. And now, Heart is adding pylons over here, probably gateways ang gusto niyang gawin dito. Yeah, ginagap niya eh. I don't know. Maybe gate, maybe. Hindi ko alam kung paano yung SimCity strategy nila, honestly.
Nabigla si Tacruz. Parang nabigla si Tacruz, nag-death mode si Heart. Yung gas niya, hindi niya nagamit.
Sabi nino, sino?
Parang nabigla si Tacruz
Ah, okay,
sa
okay. Oo.
build ni Heart.
Yeah. Kasi ito, normally si Heart talagang aggressive siya, hindi siya nag-expand agad.
Hmm.
But in this case, ginawa niya parang PVZ. And ito na, because of the economic advantage, no, ma-afford na mag-add ng gates earlier. Pero halos sabay lang sila eh. I think makahabol yung stack. Kaso, oh! You off probes. What are you doing? Ayan, yan na. Okay, nakita na nila. Nag-lazy. Nag-lazy probes.
Next top dance.
Yeah. So,
Top dance yung mga probes.
ahead pa rin si Tacruz Supply. Despite na una ng Nexus si Heart. And so definitely, no, at least when we look at these replay na games natin, and even yung itong cast na to, probably, alam mo yan, mga pointers to take note. Okay, macro better. Ayan, lamang na si Heart ulit. Ayan, si Tacruz naman ang hindi nagpo-probe.
Yun dyan talaga minsan nalilimutan.
Yeah, okay, it's okay, no? Fine. Pero chill game na lang to eh. Like, there's no more pressure, so ano na sila. At dapat at least na sila dito at this point. Hindi na to content, it's just for fun. Ano na to eh, parang, ano ba tawag doon? Sa... pag may... ano yung tawag dito? Parang settling the score na lang.
Marami ng gauge si... punta mo si Heart. Marami ng gauge. Parang lulusab na yan. Ngaya.
Ano ng gates and anong gagawin niya?
Oo. Di ba?
Ang gusto niya
Magpapakita
mag-zealot
niya ng
legs.
army.
Buong zealot, mass
Ano ba?
zealots, and legs.
Problema, wala siyang obs. Hindi niya alam if may GT si Tax, di ba?
Yes, and wala rin namang canon si Tacruz dito. Actually, delikado yun eh. Both sides, no, medyo risky. Actually, safe si Heart kung magdi-DT stack. And yan, lamang na si Heart.
Yeah,
now,
naman na si Heart.
parang yan ang
Okay,
gates.
plug muna tayo sa mga sponsors natin, Ping. Mintas wala pang bakbakan.
Wait, tatlong forge?
Wow, super upgrade yan.
Kasi hindi ko na trip yung, yung position. Kasi ito mo, harangan yung Dragoon. Sana ginilit na lang po ako si Heart. Ah, look! Ninja! There's a ninja
Oh,
in the
man.
midst. Oh, ayos to, Heart.
Di ba?
Kakaiba to.
Sabi ko sa'yo.
Hindi niya gawain to.
Sabi ko sa'yo.
May mga
Sa'yo ba yung
taon.
extract ni... Sa'yo ba? Heart. Kaya
Ninja.
mabubuhay ka.
Sneaky, no? Very, very sneaky. And ito na, may robo. I don't know if OBS or River Tech gagawin ni Tak. And oddly, no, na-maintain yung 9 supply gap for some reason. Pero yan lumalayo na.
Pero may third na si...
Oo, may third si Heart.
Problema yan, mamaya.
Yeah, this is going to be an issue definitely. Kung may economic advantage si Heart, mas madali siya mag-refill ng units. But, of course, syempre, kailangan on point pa rin yung macro. If nag-skip ng probes, useless yung expand man Nexus if hindi ka nag-produce ng probes and even actually transfer. Kaso kung ako si Heart, no, hindi ko niya transfer eh. Kasi ayoko makita na, oh, may third. Baka may obs somewhere. Kung ako ikaw ba?
Wala na lang ako. Marami pump lang ng pump nito. Probe.
Yeah, kung ako pump
Risky
na lang
yung
dito,
transfer.
siguro isi-stop halt ko yung production dito temporarily and focus na lang ako dito and then dito po yung units. Kung ako kasi I think enough probes na for 2 base to.
Yes.
Third base, ito na lang.
Yes. I agree with you with that.
And still, Tacruz doesn't know about it. And ahead si Heart Supply. Effective workers, so kita niya yung difference ng saturation. So, just by looking in, without counting.
Pero mas maganda yung SimCity ni Tacruz, di ba?
Yeah, I
Parang
agree.
natututol na siya sa working.
Yeah, and actually, mas gusto ko, mas bet ko yung SimCity ni Tacruz. Kaya sige dito. Hindi ko napansin if nakakadaan yung Dragon dito eh. Kasi if hindi makadaan, yikes. Siguro inusog niya one more cell dito.
Oh,
Ayun
yan
na,
yung
ayun
problema
na.
yun.
There is a move out. And yung OBS ngayon pala magkaka-intel as you can see.
Wala pang legs, yung Zealots. Problema to ni Tacruz.
Yeah, si ano ba si Heart
Wala
okay,
legs.
meron na, may legs na si Heart eh. Nag-leg day na. Never skip leg day. And you can see, madaling,
And it's hard.
yeah,
May
advantage ka. Oh! Wow, macro Heart. Macro version ni Heart. Daming
Kakaiba.
gates. 5 gates in the third. 4 gates. 6 gates in the main. And hindi umiilaw forge. Sayang to kasi ideally you'll want to add additional forge kasi gusto mo mag-upgrade. Uy. And tatlong forge na nag-upgrade.
Triple upgrade yan. Malakas na yan.
Yes sir. And ito, ngayon pala mag-third si Tacruz. Yan, napag-iwanan siya ng economy ni Heart. Hoy, ano, interesting game ha. Greedy and play safe parehas. Kasi this obs,
Ang pupuntan.
ano pinasok na yung obs na to? Yung Tacruz. Ano pinasok? And ano to?
Okay.
May zealot pa dito.
Parang yan.
And probe here, probably want to Heart siguro thinking about getting a fourth base soon.
Medyo late na yung third ni Tacruz Mineral pa. Lamang na talaga si Heart nito.
Yeah, definitely. May kita ko sa supply pa lang. 30 na. O 24, 22. 22 supply.
Triple gas. Tapos triple gas.
Ayan, nagkuhin-kuha na ng probe si Heart dito. I would still add probe. Ako. The third. And yeah, ang problema lang kay Heart, wala siyang scouting intel kay Tacruz. Yun ang problema. Kaya kung mag-carrier ko na si Tacruz, makakalusot ka.
So I think pag makikita na makikita lang dyan ni Heart yung composition ng unit ni Tacruz, baka magpapump na yan ng unit na marami. Magpupush na yan.
Probably, and ito, this Zealot was able to take down yung probe nandito, and nakita rin niya yung third. Ito, tapos na. And probably kung chinek na yung minerals, may kita niya, okay, wala pa na kumain, wala rin probe. So alam niya na medyo recently lang yung probe. And yan na, fourth base. The macro heart version. So itong army ni Tacruz.
Wala pa rin yung league siya. May league siya pala.
Meron na.
Si Tacruz.
Na-upgrade. So armor, ito si Tacruz gusto niyang armor.
Yan.
Weird, no? Normally weapons kasi wala mo siya nagagawin ng armor compared to weapons. And definitely upgrade advantage from Heart kasi nga tatlong forge pa naman. Plus naka-archives pa, so we could be seeing a faster 2-2-2 from Heart. So and
Mabubulagawan. Mabubulagawan.
yun na, up. That's how to go up. Wala siyang obs dito, meron siyang obs kaso medyo behind and nakikita niya, okay, Tacruz is not gonna like that.
Bulagawan.
Malamang nasok ko si Tacruz. Hala, may base ka dito. And hindi rin niya alam, ito may third. Okay, finally may bakbaka na.
May fort.
Fort pala, Fort. Yeah. Heart. No, just testing the waters. Eh, lamang na upgrade advantage courtesy Heart. Plus 2 sa weapons. Si Tacruz plus 1 armor pa lang. Look at the upgrade disadvantage. Ano si Tacruz? Pag dumating sa 3 attack na to si Heart 3-2-2, kunwari, A-click na lang yan eh. A-click with a little micro. And look at the supply gap. Just realized. Naku po, nadidisi na naman, mag na. Okay, look at the supply gap mo, 180. Heart is macroing, killing with macro. 172 versus 117. Nako, GG at the stock nila.
GG. Pero panalo yan, dahil mag-GG yan. Magdadap yun.
Grabe ka. And up. Ha? For some reason, nakakapalag.
Sa reason.
Ala, what happened?
Oh no.
Happened?
No, the power pa yung units ni Hard.
Hey, upgrade advantage pero natalo. What? What happened, Bella?
Parang late yung run. Templar.
I can't
Wow.
believe. I can't believe. Natalo
Hindi
siya.
yung supply.
Ay, meron pa.
Hindi yung- kahit na lamang pa yung supply, di ba? Ayun. Nag-pump na ng units yun. Wonder sa economy.
Tututo na si Heart, oh. Tututo na. And yan, may units pa incoming. Ayun po. Those are, ayun na, 6 gates per base. 6 gates sa main and 6 gates sa third, which is the other main din. Yeah, lamang pa rin si Heart.
Wala na.
Effort na ni Heart mag-click dito. Eh, look, oh. Rallying units pa. Tapos is in danger. And wala sa kanila nag-river tech. River sana yung game changer. Kaso wala sila both sides. Don't have any river tech. But definitely, upgrade advantage ka. Heart economic advantage. Plus, wala pang obs dito. DTs have been pulled from the third. And para maki-choice combat. Pero yan, there are cannons here. At the same DT, sayang yung DT. Sayang ang DT, sir.
Tignan mo ipian ni Taxo, di ba? Laki ng improvement.
Yan ngayon, nag-130 na, no? Mapapata. Yeah, definitely.
140.
So, notice ko lang sa kanila dati, nasa 80 lang eh. 88.
Oo.
Ayun, yung mabot na almost 100, not bad, may heart. Well, provided may combat, and yeah, dapat lang naman, combat. And yeah, look at this, di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo eh, kaya ayoko yung position ng buildings na to. And look, na-stuck yung dragoons. He should destroy, kung ako si Heart, destroy ko yung gate na to. Either this or this. Actually, either of the three. Ito, or ito.
Pero okay lang naman dahil madami naman siyang pera.
Yeah, look, almost 200 supply. 4 base versus 3 base.
Pump lang siya dun sa taas.
Oh, wala lang unit sa top. Oh no! GG to ah.
Parang GG na to. GG na to.
GG stock rolls. Overpowered. Ngayon pa tumino ang net kung kailan tapos na yung ano. Oh no. Ito sana yung game kanina. Oh. Kailan ganito yung game, ano?
Hindi nakita yung ninja base.
Hindi nakisama. Pero yeah, the power of macro talaga, no? Ninja base, faster expand. Yeah, GG, no? Sayang. Diba, sayang. Kung yun lang sana yung official kanina, eh.
Oo na.
Yeah, but it is what it is.
Pero it is what it is.
Okay. Let's see, baka may game pa. Sabi ni iBax, shoutout kay iBax and kay Phoenix. Uy. Yeah. Thank you for dropping by the stream, both of you, no? Never skip.
Alam mo na yung mga sponsors natin po.
Yeah, so shoutout sa sponsor natin. We have si Teban and Incentive. Shoutout.
Yan.
Nag-sponsor sila, no? Additional prize. No? And yung contribution ng Teban para sa, ano, para dito. Para we have casters, we have design, graphic design, mga poster dun sa FB page. So, thank you. And 10 viewers
Yes.
tayo. Wow, dami nating viewers. So, thank you.
Wow.
11 viewers. So, thank you for sticking around, guys. Grabe.
Also, Ping, gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo to, in behalf of the casual communities, di ba? Salamat din sa iyo pag-push ng tournament nito, di ba? Hindi natin nakalain na mapupush through, di ba?
Yeah, well, thank you din. Thank you din sa
Yes.
support.
Salamat sa iyo.
Yeah. Okay, cheesy na. Mamaya na iyakan. No? Pero yeah, di ba? Di ba, guys?
Saan pa lang natin
What do you think, guys? Kayo nandyan sa chat, di ba? Di mo enjoy kung may mga ganito tayo from time to time. Katuwaan. Tournament, pero tournament for fun lang. Para may something tayo
Diba?
to help contribute sa global longevity ng longevity ng StarCraft. Yan. So, sino yung maglalaro next? For fun na lang.
For fun game. Oh, nandiyan na si Senib sa chat box.
Shout out.
Senib, thank you sa sponsor. Shout out to you. Nasa Twitch siya.
Yeah. I can see his name. Phoenix. Yeah. So, sino yung gusto? Meron pa ba? Although, may isa pa namang game mamaya.
Oo.
Excuse me. Yeah, may isa pa namang game mamaya. Yun ang official.
I think papasok na si Hard.
Risk.
Or
Sorry.
si Hard. I mean, papasok sa work. Kaya nawala na siya.
Yeah. Yeah, so still, thank you for joining us. Hard. If nakikinig ka dito.
Password. Tito Gaming.
Naglolo ko yung messenger ko. Can you send? Hindi. Password is dito.
Ano password? Tito Gaming nga. Di ba?
Hindi, walang gaming.
Tito lang.
Parang walang basta-basta sumali from Tom.
Petix. Laruin natin sa Petix.
Ito for fun lang to Hindi pa to yung counted. Parang testing the waters pa lang.
Yan.
Okay lang naman to Like,
Sana series.
I don't know.
Or baka si Tacros. Pwede din si Tacros at si... Nandiyan na si Joshua.
Tapos ba?
Sabi niya, TT Gaming daw. TT Gaming. Mahilig talaga to. Mahilig talaga to sa mga fancy NSF.
Alam mo, pasok si Heart. Alam mo, pasok na Heart.
Ay, kala ko mahilig ba to.
Favorite ka, niloko kami. Loko mo kami
Mamadali eh.
Wala na, late na ako. Yeah, okay. For fun lang to, for fun. Sino yung magalaban? Ano? Rective? Rective.
Red.
Yeah.
Baba mo na si Tix or si Heart?
Pero sila Sino ba?
I think baba mo
Kasi gusto ng Petix.
Oo.
Silang dalawa?
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
Petix at Heart?
Tix at Heart.
Naka ba? AFK dun yata AFK At okay, so mamayang 5 o'clock naman, it's TVP. It's between Unswa And I am risk taker.
Ang panglaro to.
Okay, go na, go.
Grab some popcorn, guys.
AFK si ano? I think so, start na natin. Oy, magenta color. Art music. Risk. Upper left. Ayan na! DC!
Dating yung spawning mo. Yun, easy.
Sa Ionic Storm ah. Okay, lower left. Spawn, Heart and Music. Upper left. I am risk taker. Photos first, photos. Off race, the Heart and Music. Yeah, ito ang gagawin ni Heart. By the way guys, no, yung mga kararating lang itong laban na to right now, what we're seeing right now is, alam to, not counted na, ano lang, unofficial. Tapos na yung official just yung first two games kanina, and unfortunately, naging default because of disconnect. But yeah, so this is just for fun. Okay, nothing unusual. Of course, Pylon, obviously. I mean, it's either Pylon or Nexus for a simulator. Diba? Medyo nauna lang sa Pylon series. Ito, Pechay Gaming. Normally, series talaga, alam ko, maaga talaga siya mag-start kasi marami siyang masamang balak sa kalaban.
Kaya nga.
Yung series yung ano, yung pinaka, the most evil Protoss of all time.
Pinaka-risk taker.
Oo, nasa pangalan eh. Taking risk talaga. Gateway.
Pero yun lang. Yun lang, dun siya natatalo.
Yeah, minsan nanalo siya doon, minsan doon siya natalo. It is what it is. But nauna sa gateway, si Risk, no, si Heart, late siya. Uy, kanino to? Hindi ko napansin. Ano yung nakawan ng gas? Gas steal.
Gas steal.
Ayan na nga, nabastusan mode.
Take advantage na, mag-bounce ka na.
Lagi ako dito nag-gas. Si Heart. Long distance gas mining. Bohorik pa rin siya dito. No, worst pa yan. Pero good idea nga ito eh. Pero layo niya, tagal masyado ng gas.
Hindi, dapat doon, nag-zilot. Kung ako yan, nag-zilot na lang ako.
Oo,
Nag-zilot
na
na
lang
sila
ako.
eh.
Ano nga? Anong meron?
Yo, what's up, Senib?
Balab yan.
Wala pa ako sa bahay. Pero...
Currently,
Ah,
unofficial game na to. Ano lang to? Para lang may games na mapanood yung mga tao. So, tapos na yung kay Heart and Risk. Yeah.
Sinong nanalo? Ay, Heart and Risk?
Ay, Heart and Tacos pala.
tapos,
Buwan.
unfortunately, talo si Hart dahil sa
Internet.
Okay.
Pero yeah,
Hi fans!
okay, dito, dami nagka-crash ngayon sa Discord. We have,
Dito na ako, excited na. Gas steal me.
okay, wait.
Yan yung time risk ang delay.
Zilot. Okay, may Zilot currently. Si Heart scoring a simulator. Si Risk. Sabi, baguhin ko color, dapat pala ganyan. Dapat red and blue. Ito rin makita.
Excited na ako, excited.
Okay, so yeah, Risk, no? Going on the offense with a Zealot and a Probe. Pero may cannon na si Heart. And the DC ulit.
Grabe, ang sipag ni Heart, oh. Ang layo ng ano.
Okay.
Yes.
Pinakawat kasi siya ni, ni Risk dito.
Hmm.
Kaya I don't
Sunod
know-
yan, sunod na ito, Dark Templar na. Malag talaga si Heart, no?
Yeah, for some reason. Pero yung previous game, okay lang eh. Ngayon, naglolo ko talaga yung net. Kaya, we're not sure kung Dark Templar, pero pwede rin. Possibly. Long distance mining. Yeah. Okay, lamang si Heart sa supply. Pero supply block. Si Risk may Dragoon at si ano man, technique. Okay, may core na pala. And dapat itong si Heart yung probes na to, balik na lang niya dito. Uy, mukhang mag-early expo Heart, pero naunahan na siya ni Risk. I guess si Risk can afford to land the Nexus earlier kasi nga
Ano?
nakita niya yung base ni Heart.
Grabe talaga, puso talaga to si Heart, no?
Oh, puso, literally.
Ang layo ng ano, gas.
Dito rin niya binabalik. Ayun na, binalik na. Okay. So, sa main.
Mukhang narinig na tayo. Wala pa, hindi pa rin.
And yan na. Okay. Zealots from Heart try to chase down these Dragoons ni Risk. Kasi kaya ni Risk to kaya lang kung ma-miss micro ni Risk, mas malakas ang damage ng Zealot actually sa Dragoon.
Mas malamang ako, mas malakas.
Because yung damage type ng Dragoon is explosive, which deals less damage to small units, and Zealot is considered a small unit. Yun ang ano doon. The science behind it. Science. Starcraft
Maglagay
science.
ka ng ano, ping, maglagay ka ng tip.
Dapat ano to dapat river ano to
Yeah, yun na actually yung meta, no? Dragoons, Rivers, and may konting Zealot.
River. Ay, si ano ata, magre-river ata yan si Risk.
Let's
Check mo. Ayan, may robotics na.
see. Pwede kasing robotics
River
into
block.
Ops or robotics into River, pero I would love it kung River gagawin.
Excited ako. Papareserve na ako sa shop.
Hahaha, nice. 5 o'clock yung sa'yo. Okay, by the way, ito. So, join with us na right now sa Discord. Naki-crash lang si Unswa. Siya yung magkakompete na
Buti di pa ako pinuntahan dito ni Sagaret. Kung pinuntahan na ako dito, lasing na ako.
Hahaha. Uy! Okay, base pala ni Risk. Akala ko, nalito ako kanina. Akala ko kay Heart sumugod dito. Pero hindi pala. Blue. Anyway,
Grabe, no?
yeah, ano yan?
Pansin nyo, yung EPN ni Risk, hindi bumaba sa 200
Okay, taas na EPM na ngayon
900 ganyan na ako.
Pero naka-turn 8 kasi, TR8.
Oo.
Sino ba naman hindi tataas yung
Yeah. Lagi kasi
EPM? Palagi nag-a-addict yan. Nagbabatat.
Lagi kasi.
Magdi-DT si si Heart.
So, alam mo,
Kaya talaga nila practicein yung
Yan na.
yung river.
Robotics. Ito na, may robotics na. May robotics na from Heart. Yan, late nga sa expo. Pero ito lang kasi, ito yung issue, no? Like,
Ayun, mayroon na. Ayan.
ito yung issue kasi kapag nauuna, nagne-nexus ka nga pero hindi ka nagpapump ng probes, like yung nangyari kay Risk. Parang you sign advantage Kaya dapat you have to be on the alert always to make sure yung umilaw yung nexus mo. Otherwise, sayang, next first pa, like early next. Okay, so, interesting no, si Risk nag-robotic support into Observer pero hindi siya naglabas ng shuttle. Hindi siya naglabas ng shuttle and Reaver. Then nag-obs na lang siya. Meanwhile, kay Heart naman, also has a Nexus finally down. And nauna pa siya sa Reaver. Nauna pa siya sa Reaver. Pero yan, hindi umiilaw ang Nexus ngayon, umiilaw na. May spider sense na si Heart. Kaya napailaw na niya. Okay, and funny thing is,
Yan.
si Suklay. Suklay. 47, 48.
Ayun si Mupeng.
Subusuklay na Yan, so Unswa, habang wala pang action, so how do you feel joining this tournament? Kasi ikaw pala yung unang kong natanong actually about this. Like, how do you feel na you're participating in this first ever Ito Gaming StarCraft Eve in the Philippines 2026? Fresh na fresh.
Okay lang. Ito, excited na excited. Kahit walang practice. May sakit kagaling lang. Pero okay naman. Gagalingan ko pa rin mamaya. I'll try my best. I'll do my best.
Nice. Yeah, excited din ako sa game nyo actually mamaya. Nag-DC na naman. And look, napansin nyo si Risk. Double robotics. Double robotics. Interesting.
Magbumas ata to si Risk.
Mas tuod.
Bieber.
Yeah, kinda. Lamang na si Risk sa supply.
Pag yan talaga na master nilang ang yan, hirap talunin yan.
Yeah, definitely. Hirap labanan. No, lalo kung Terran ka against yung mga river ng Ghost. So, like si Snow. Diba? Lagi si Snow, yung the best Protoss na nag-wield ng river. The best river control in the world right now. At least yun ang opinion ng majority na most people agree. Si Snow talaga yung the best na Protoss river micro today. Oy! Risk is taking a hidden base. Grabe, no? Nang ninja. Pero alam ko si Risk ito na. Obs, no? Catching the shuttle. This is huge. Dapat, ewan ko lang napansin ni Risk yung shuttle, pero kasi yung Obs niya pocket eh. Pareha sila nag-turn.
Hindi nakita ni Risk yung
Same strategy.
Yun, bumalik.
Hindi, naabangan niya. Nakita niya kasi.
Ay, nakita na yung
Very good
aabangan niya na to.
That's very good attention kay sa side ni Risk, no? Talagang nakita kasi, alam mo yun, iba yung focus nila ngayon eh. Okay, di pa ito yung tournament pero
Nakita yung dalawa.
sa casual game lang na normal day.
Nakita yung expression, nakita ba yung drop?
Series so, laki talaga ng improvement.
Oo. Sino ba na ni-improve? Araw-araw sino pinakalaro niyan?
Yeah, doon ako excited actually, kaya yun ang kalaban ni Unspa mamaya.
Ayan guys, sabihin nyo kami mamaya guys, manood kayo guys ha.
Very
Buti na lang, hindi ako nagpadala sa buti na lang hindi pa ako nagpadala sa alak.
Uy, 11 viewers tayo shoutout, dami natin
Yung ex ko chinakot ko, sabi mo, pwede pa-support. Nood.
Yun.
Yung mga fans mo, panood mo, Onswa.
Ano?
Marami ka namang fans club, di ba?
Hindi, mga tropa ko manunood.
Look at this. Huge river drop from Heart. And eliminating grabe inubos na isang big chunk of moves from Risk.
May counter-attack din si...
At the same time, nagbagsakan sila ng ulo.
Aray ko po! Maunaan na lang sila kung sino muna makaubos na
Pares na pares yung strategy nila eh. No?
Okay.
Oo.
Bagsaka ng uod, mga kapatid. It's Uod Wars. Sino yung unang madedecompose?
Aray ko po! Naku, walang bala. Ayun.
But, lamang si Risk.
I-standby mo.
Okay.
Sayang, mahal pa naman pamasahe shuttle ngayon.
Malapit na madets yung yung
Dapat
shuttle.
alagaan mo.
Asa ng shuttle niya? Uy,
Ang habol niya.
yung kay Risk, healthy po. Healthy life. Kay
Naku.
Heart duman sa digmaan eh. Kay Heart duman sa digmaan yung yung buhay ng shuttle. Yeah, okay. Pareha sila nag-turn ka supply yung pantay ng pantay. Wow! 77, 78.
Match ng dalawa na to
Yeah, it seems so. And unofficial pa to, no? This is still unofficial. Eventually, maglalaban sila pa ito. Parang na to. Katuwaan mode.
Okay, scream lang.
Scream. Yan pala yung term nun. Scream, right? Ice cream.
Ice cream game.
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
Nangulit si Risk.
Ano?
O, tanggalin mo na. Ay!
Ilaya ng mata si Risk.
Ako. Malapit ito. Barely getting the Nexus. Actually, kung makuha ni Risk to, sobrang lamang na siya eh. Kaso, ang problem, ni Heart is not pumping probes dito. Yan ang lamang niya. Si Risk din, speaking of, si Risk din.
Ay nako, nasayang yung wood. Ay nako!
Pareha sila yung direct pump ko. Look. Yun lang. So,
Yun lang, design yung mga Nexus.
finally,
Ang laman.
Finally, umiilaw na. Excuse me. And lamang si Heart. Tay.
Any minute na, makakita na tayo ng carrier.
carrier. Uy, may kung ano. Uy! We have the fleet beacon under construction na.
Yes, sir.
Dapat ina-anticipate na yung heart to. I mean, lagi naman sila naglalaro.
Si Risk. Ayun, mayroon na nga.
May masamang balak na dalawa.
Guys,
Yan na.
labas mo ka ako. Balik ka ako mamaya kay PM Pink.
Okay, Hexa.
No, pinakita ni Risk yung ano niya,
Discarding mo na pa.
yung build niya.
GG's.
Pero malay mo, iba namang gagawin niya. Uy, ang daming probe. Lol. Hindi na kumain. Okay, yun na. Yung kalig, hindi ko napansin. Okay. Siguro yung ibang probe. Naalis pala ni Heart yata kanina. Hindi ko nakansin.
Naubos niya ni Heart kanina yung proofs niya. Yan, hindi nagmamine.
Yung kay Risk, marami namatay. Actually, na probe kanina. And, yun, pumapantay na sa supply. Okay, so far, no, sa saturation, medyo healthy saturation so far. Pero kulang pa yan sa probe. Definitely, pwede pang dagdagan ni Heart. Si Risk, yeah, needs to really pump more probe. Kitang-kita yung difference just by looking at it without even counting. Oh. Natural. Walang probes, masyado. Go from the main, transfer just natural. And yan, an observer from Heart and Music going to check for other ninja bases and definitely siguro may kita nito ni Heart yung third base ni Risk. I guess ito, both players are aware. Ito, obviously, Risk, no? I guess both are aware na may parehas may third. The difference lang, tech-wise, yeah, ahead si Risk. Risk took risks. And nag-carrier agad. So let's check the upgrades. Currently upgrade the Risk 0 while upgrade advantage si Heart 1-1. 1 armor, 1 attack. And Risk is now taking a fourth base here at 12 o'clock location. Grabe, no? Heart has no idea. No, okay, so medyo passive, no? Yun ang ano. Right now, medyo passive. No one's scouting that much. Yung una aggression lang, yung river, that's it. And yun na, may banana, the flying banana, the first flying banana is finally out from this. So, ang composition ni Risk is flying banana, aka carrier, dragoons and high templars versus dragoons and zealots and obs with upgrade advantage on the side of Heart and Music. Supply?
Ping,
Ay,
send mo nga yung link mo, Ping. Sa GC, ano po forward ko.
yung, alin, yung Twitch?
Oo.
Sige, I'll send dito sa StarCraft PC. Okay. So, dalawa na yung flying banana. And yan na. Heart is moving out. Kasi kailangan niya umaksyon bago lumala ito. Bago dumami yung saging. And Heart going for the offense dito sa third base ni Risk. Targeting the Nexus directly. No? Wala nang pakialam sa kanan. Direct na Nexus. And Risk, no? Malayo masyado reinforcements. Just loses that Nexus and Heart will be pulling out yung kanyang Zealots. Kaso, nakita na niya may carrier based on the attack and the sound, of course, definitely narinig na yun. Probably, nako, maiisip ni Heart, yari, may carrier na. It's the time. It's that phase of the game na may mga lumilipad na bananas na. Pero ang dami ng dragoons ni Heart. And of course, yeah, mas maraming supply si Risk because may carrier taking up 8 pa yun o 6 supply, but yeah. Okay, now Heart going for the offense again. This time papunta sa natural ni Risk. Walang ka defense dito.
Naku, walang tao si Risk.
But ako, out of position ang kanyang mga high templars and dragoons and the carriers are in a vulnerable spot. Malulose yung carrier for free. Oh,
Nako, Donate yung saging.
Na-donate ang 350
Aray
minerals
ko.
and some gas. Nalimutan ko ilang gas. And ngayon, the goons of Heart and Risk going forward trying to punish yung pag-out position. And yung green din is. So these storms are connecting. Wow! Those are
Ang
amazing
ganda ng
storms.
mga storm ni Riz, no?
May Riz,
Pasok
kaso-
talaga yung mga storm ni Riz.
Is it enough to
Kaso ang
hold?
daming dragoons.
Is it enough to hold yung Dragoons? Already, 2 Nexus have been taken down from the side of Risk Taker, no? The Natural and yung third being rebuilt right now, pero more Dragoons. There's still more Dragoons dito na kumakatok. Mga uninvited guests dito sa base ni Risk. May carrier si Risk pero naubos yata sa sarili niyang storm. Yeah, this is a dangerous situation. More troops, more Dragoons being rallied from Heart and Music's base to Risk base. Now with 2 weapon upgrade, 2 armor upgrade, and 1 plasma shields. Upgrade advantage currently. See, Heart and Music, not good. Si Risk plus 1 weapons lang. And Arbiter Tribunal gets taken down while upgrading. Hindi na-cancel yata yun. Parang kung tama yung mata ko, no? If tama yung nakita ko kanina, hindi na-cancel. Nag-upgrade siya. Now, Risk Taker struggling to fight for his life to defend his main base. Meron lang siyang mga storms pero wala siyang ground army maliban sa of course,
GG na to.
ang dami yung Stargate pero hindi umiilaw, wala siyang pera. This is looking like a GG for Risk Taker. Ito yung problem, no? If you rush into carriers quickly, if you rush into carriers, wala kang enough ground support, nahuli ka rin sa upgrades, pwede ka mabulaga na surprise attack just like yung ginawa ni Heart Music. Okay na sana yung tech advantage ni Risk, pero losing that third base and yung natural, talagang big factor yon. You're gonna take a huge hit pag ganun nangyari sa'yo. Okay, so Heart decides to pull back. Actually, I don't know. Ikaw mo, okay bang pullback or diniretso na lang? Parang okay na rin eh. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung backpackan eh. Pero Heart decides to pull back. I don't know why. Maybe gusto niya i-sniper yung other base. Meron ba siyang vision dito? Okay, Heart. Meron siyang OB. Now he's going to delete yung base ulit ni Risk. Third base again. Definitely mata-take down itong original third base. Si Risk Taker sa 1 o'clock position, simultaneously attacking, no? 2 bases at the same time ang ginagawa ni Heart. One small group dito, catching these probes. Pero yan, may mga carriers pa, pero again, this base from Risk will get taken down. Daming masyadong Dragoons dito sa 1 o'clock. Now we're looking at carriers and High Templars versus Dragoons and Zealots currently, and ito, nakapasok ang 3 Zealots into the gap dito sa 12 o'clock base ni Risk Taker. Not looking good for Risk. The Heart is just crushing it right now. And meron na siyang sariling Stargates of his own. Probably magiging scouts to. And ito na nga, may scout na. First scout. Combat the carrier while pressuring si Risk. No, dinedelay lang niya yung carrier na kaysa umatake sa base niya. He would rather take the offense. Offense is the best defense, sabi nga. And you can see, Risk Taker's pose, patakbo-takbo na lang. As you can see, mind out na ang main base ni Risk. Natural, walang Nexus. The only Nexus Risk currently has na pwede mamainan is the 12 o'clock position. And this won't be long before ma-overrun ni Heart si Risk. But let's see, no, these are still carriers are still carriers. Risk has good carrier control. Pero let's see, will that be enough to hold itong non-stop aggression na ginagawa ni Heart? And yan, naglabas na rin ng Dark Templar Risk to help defend. But ito na, diretso, no, wala, ignore everything. Those Zealots and Dragoons will just take down this Nexus and will hurt this economy really bad. I think GG na to. It's GG. Basically, Risk wala ng pera. But even if these carriers survive, no, tuloy-tuloy lang haras na gagawin ni Heart kay Risk. And yeah, this is GG. Wala nang base si Risk. Wala nang money, only carriers. Yan, daming Zealot. And look at the upgrade ni Heart. 3 weapons, 2 shields, 2 armor. A-click na lang. A-click and win na lang kailangan gawin. Wala na. Wala nang pera si Risk. Could no longer afford to buy a probe. Could no longer afford to purchase another Nexus. This is game over. Or is it? Kasi 6 na carrier pa rin, no? Like, hindi pa rin na-deal ni Heart yung 6 carriers, pero meron ang ginagawa ang scouts. Si Heart. May probe
I
pa
would
si
say
Risk.
GG na.
Eh, pero mukhang GG eh. Just by looking at this, it looks like GG already.
GG na yan.
Yeah, and si Risk, si Risk is one of those players na matagal tayo mag-GG. Hanggat may probe, kapalag. And yeah, we're looking at 7 carriers na as of no money to afford interceptors. Plus, this one Delot eliminating every last probe na meron na lang si Risk. So, I guess yung ginagawa lang ni Heart is producing mga anti-air. And para hindi siya mapitas basta-basta, iniipon niya muna. And ang kailangan gawin ni Heart, make sure hindi mag-expand si Risk eh. Kasi syempre hindi niya alam na wala nang pera si Risk. Na wala naman siya observer view. And ito na. So, konti lang units. Ang kailangan gawin ni Heart is kailangan sabay-sabay niya yung assault. Sabay-sabay units para hindi mapitas ng carrier easily. And yan na, Dragoons now target firing. Carriers, 1 carrier gets taken down. Only 6 carriers remain. 6 carriers na lang tira. And finally, yung scouts dinadala na dito sa combat, no? Magugulat na lang series dito. May mga scouts na. Hardest target firing, yeah, GG na to. Once ma-take down 2 carriers, definitely mag-GG na yung series. And wala na. GG yes ko. Nakita niya yung daming scouts. GG. Yeah.
GG.
Okay, for a friendly game, no? Kung kailan hindi counted yung match. Matino internet ni Heart. But yeah. So yan guys, ladies and gentlemen, kung may ladies na nanonood, okay, well, shoutout sa inyo. If gentlemen, StarCraft enthusiasts, everyone, Pinoys, non-Pinoys, those of you watching, thank you for tuning in. The next match, so will be at 5 o'clock. For now, we'll be taking a 2-hour break, no? We'll be live again this 5 o'clock for the game between Unswa, Terran player, versus I Am Risk Taker, yung one of the Protoss you've seen on screen right now. Sila yung dalawa maglalaban sa TVP, Terran versus Protoss match this 5 o'clock. So, see you later, guys. For now, end ko muna stream and take a quick break. Hopefully, kayong 11 viewers and even more, mamaya will tune back in. And yeah, see you in a bit. Bye.